Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Today, I will show the only reliable way to make a poached egg in noodles. You need 100 grams of dried noodles or 1 serving fresh noodles. Prepare 2 cups of broth or water and bring it to a gentle simmer. Measure 1 tablespoon white vinegar to help the egg coagulate quickly. Crack 1 egg into a small bowl to inspect and keep the yolk intact. Have a slotted spoon ready and set a timer for 3-5 minutes. This prep keeps the noodle texture good and gives the egg a soft center. Start by adding the noodles to the simmering broth and stir gently. Cook according to package time -1 minute for dried noodles. If using fresh noodles, cook only 30 to 60 seconds until pliable. Push noodles aside to create a 3-5-inch well for the egg in the center. Reduce heat so the liquid barely simmers and swirl the broth once. Slide the egg from the bowl into the 3-5-inch well gently. Cover for 3-5 minutes to set whites while keeping the yolk runny. After 3-5 minutes, remove the lid and lift the egg with a slotted spoon. Gently rest the poached egg on the noodles and reserve some broth. Season with salt, pepper, and a teaspoon soy sauce or chili oil. For firmer yolks, cook an extra 60 seconds. Watch texture closely. Use fresh eggs refrigerated under 40 degrees F and consume within 2 hours. Garnish with scallions, sesame seeds, and a squeeze of lime if desired. This method yields one perfect soft yolk egg in noodles every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.